I have the StyleWell mix and match folding chair. You can use them as dining, or I'm going to use them to sit in the garden. They're steel and they're packed really nicely. It's 2 to a box. Made in China. They come with little tie wraps to hold the cardboard protectors. You know what I thought was real clever of them is they put a little tiny bungee lock, so when you want to store the chairs you can reuse this. That's clever. Alright, so to open it, this is the back of the chair. It comes forward and slides under here. Like that. "6'4". How's it feel? Good. Okay, when you want to close this up, push it back. Push this back. It folds down. And you can use that little tie wrap again to hold this together. Then you can use the bungee cord to hold this together. Store it. We'll leave them out in the Texas sun for a little bit. See how they heat up. It does say to keep them out of the weather. And they are metal, so if you start scratching them, so forth, they'll rust. But they look really nice. They're very solid to sit on. $135 is measuring. That's a little toasty. Yep, that's hot, so be careful of it in the sunshine when you go to sit on it. The little stoppers, this is steel, these little stoppers are like a rubbery plastic, and on the bottom, and this little, I don't know if that's, it may just be molded. Looks like it's plastic. It's hard to tell. Yeah, it's plastic. See it worn down a little bit. Here's a bit on the spec sheet. It's called Mix and Match Folding Chair. The color is grass, 2-pack. You can see the model number, FDS40106-2PKGR. This basically says how to open it and close it. Clean the frame with a damp cloth and dry. Don't use abrasive materials. Store in a dry area and keep it away from fire, extreme heat, freezing, or inclement weather such as rain. So probably not the best chair to use outside. That's what I thought I was going to use it for. 1-year warranty. Here's a nice catalog of quite a bit different furniture options they have. Here's the mix and match, the grass color. They got little tables to go with it too. Yeah, I'm not saying it looks like retro because I'm not a style guy, but it gives me a feeling from a long time ago.